your thoughts to the board. Click on the link. The board will appear. In the upper right corner, you can see that there is a blue box. Currently, you are not logged in. Scroll over to the third icon and select Login. If you have an account, go ahead and sign in. If not, create one. Now you will see that the board on the area on the right has changed and you have sticky notes. If you would like to add something, click on the color you would like to add and type your note. Post. You can now see your note. If you'd like to move your note, hover over it and click and drag it to where you would like to place it. We suggest that you place your note under the category that it fits. You can add another note of a different color by selecting a different piece of paper. The next time someone in the group clicks on the link, they will be able to see the original board along with the new posts.